Now we're back from the previous class. Now, if you have everything and drag and drop it here, and if I select everything and press L key, L for making in a straight line, you can see we have some error because of this is not an EXR file, so we don't need that right now. So this has a different technique or an approach or methodology you have to import these files. So I'll be talking about these files later on, that how we're going to use these files, but not at this point. So now select everything, press L key in order to get a line, and here we have no problem, you can put it here. So what we need to do is that we need to delete this as we have deleted from here. So it is not a correct workflow that you are going to delete it manually from each and every read nodes, right? So if you have maybe 50 read nodes, it will take a huge time to do so. So we have a very easy fix to do that. You can see we have here this one. This is going to be the common thing which is going to be sharing each and every node we have here. So simple copy the thing and select everything and go for edit, and this we have search, not this search, and we need to have to go to node, and we have this file name and search and replace. You can see the shortcut is going to be Control Shift and question mark. So you can have a slash also, Control Shift and slash, because both key is sharing the same thing here. So slash also be a thing, the Control Shift slash or Control Shift question mark. So you can see that it is asking you for that what you need to search. I need to search for this, which is associated with each and every read node you have here, right? And now we need to replace with nothing. Nothing means delete. So now I am replacing this with delete. So if I click OK, nothing happened because I have deleted it. Now we have everything in a relative path. And as long as you have this project settings and script directory turned on, the script is there is no problem. You are not going to have any kind of error. So there is a two-way process, two-step process. You can say that one is to delete the common thing, keeping the common folder, and another one is that script directory thing.